Hello, good morning students. Today's transcription number 73 on the speed of underparts per minute. Start. So far as the utility of the All India services is concerned, I would like to mention that first of all, it will introduce an element of competition. There will be a wider field of selection. There will be mobility from one state to another, and from the states to the center, and from the center to the states. These people will thus have a great opportunity of gaining very rich experience, which will be of great use not only to them but to the people with whom they have to work. I would also like to mention one more very important aspect, that of national integration. The men of the All India services, by their experience in one state, will be able to come closer to the people of the different states, mix with them well, and this will accelerate the process of national integration. This is not a small achievement through the services. If the services do not have this national approach, then it is bound to have an adverse effect on the people as a whole, because the services are in a way an element of the society and they are able to build up public opinion. I am not only talking of the officers at the top, but at different levels and the kinds of opinion they hold, the way they behave, the way they act, all have their own effect on the people. And if they function on a national basis in a disinterested way, having no parochial views, and consider matters at the national level, then this will create a national atmosphere in the country. So it is very important that there should be as many All India services as possible, because, as I said, they are able to move about with every section of the people of the states, know their language, and they are able to bring fresh experience and fresh outlook in the different states wherever they go. Coming to the present two services, which are the subject matter of this resolution, the Agricultural Administration Committee, which was set up in 1988 to examine the question of reorganization of agricultural administration, recommended the formation of an All India Agricultural Service. Accordingly, a scheme was drawn up by the Ministry of Food and Agriculture and circulated to the state governments on August 9, 1992.